Okay, so I bought a kitchen cabinet, and these are the parts. Oh my gosh. Look at all the parts. So I took blue stickies and I numbered all the parts. And then got that piece over there. So these are all the pieces. I'm gonna come back in a little while and show you how far I've gotten. Here are the other boards. Here. And then the knobs came like that. I opened them up, and the ones that have more than one alpha in them, I opened them. And then we have all of these pieces. And then the other parts came in the bag like that. When I'm done, it's supposed to look like this. That's pretty. Choo Choo like that. Alright, come back and see how I do. Okay, 4 pieces together. Not so bad.